Hi traders, stock markets are selling off and selling off fast. But remember, a few weeks ago, what we were looking for signs of a potential change or correction was just a change in structure. What are we talking about? Well, we're talking about potential lower top and lower bottom, okay? A break of a major weekly support level. So if we have a look at a few charts, you can see when this structure changed, it made me a little bit thinking, do I really want to be buying stocks as much as I wanted to when the structure holds, okay? When previous support holds. So that being said, the question is, how do I take advantage of it? How far is this thing going to correct? Is this going to be just the greatest reversal of all time followed by a market crash? Probably not, okay? It's been going up for decades. So when I look at this S&P 500, I do see signs of weakness. So a simple structure, I'll just use my fib tool. So I'll just draw the fib tool on. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. I'll draw it from the most recent move at the bottom to the top. So if I draw it in and I enter once price closes below that support level and we get a lower low form, if I enter there, where's my target? Well, you could just use the 127 or the 162 extension, one or the other. So if we have a look at this right now, you'll see if you entered, you've now got price moving all the way down to or just about out that 162, okay? Because the reality is, if this is a change of trend, we're gonna wait for a rally back up and potentially a previous support level starting to act as resistance. So we're in a position to do two things, okay? We're in a position to be in the trade, but we're also in a position to get risk out. Okay, at this point, you might say, this is enough, I'll get risk out of this trade, okay? Or you might take your profit here, okay? You might be wrong, but they're just really simple ways of looking at counter trend opportunities. Let's take a quick look now at the Nasdaq. You'll see a similar feature. All right, we've got the change of structure. Now that correction is deepening all the way past the 127. If you were targeting the 127, that trade is over, that profit is in your pocket. And now if we look, say, at the Dow Jones, we look at a similar scenario where we're basically at a point we're just about to enter. So we'll keep an eye on this Dow Jones, but definitely the S&P. And if you look also at the Nasdaq, you start to see change of structure entries. And where do we put our stop? The stop is if it goes to all-time highs, all right? All-time highs again, I'm wrong, okay? It's that simple. So that is a simple way of entering on a change of structure, having a really simple target and saying to myself, I will be wrong, I'll call this trade wrong if it gets up to breaks through to all-time highs. That's all from me, folks. Use your simple fib tool to find your levels in the market and to be able to implement your strategies.